Hello everyone and welcome to uh, uh, to the session. Today I'm going to show you about the OData. OData is very good because it helps you to connect in the real life with the data in the SAP. Okay, so let me show you. So getting started, this is what I always do. I go to the on outline and then you have either you can click link to the file. So you will have this file that I'm opening, and so I need to launch Fiori. Okay, so I Control C my Fiori, open a new tab, and click in here. So I need to key in the user. So you can select one user. So let's say I'm selecting now a user that is all sixer, and then EPRSIM as the user, and then you go to your current user. Okay, and when you do that, you should log into the system. And here, what is important for you is that you see this screen, you click on the OData services. Okay, click on this one and you select Control C so that to select this UER, and then you open a new Excel window. And here, what you need to do is that go to data from other sources, from OData data feed. Okay, and then you click here, and very important, you need to see the username and password. If you see on our file here, the addendum, I already give to you the username and password. The username is for your client number plus the team letter, and the password is EPRSIM1. Just in case you forget, you have everything in addendum that I put on the blackboard. So let me come back to my yes. So now to the Excel. So for that, let's say I select the team O, and my password is EPRSIM1, all capital. Okay, and you click next. And here it's very important that you can see you can create the table, and then it gives you the update in the real life with the SAP system. For example, you click here. Let's say we want to check about the inventory first. Okay, I see that most of you uh, it's also very tough to follow the inventory, and then so you want to create the inventory. Let's say this is my inventory. What I am going to do is I save my password and they update automatically for me. And here you select the table. Okay, so you select the table, and yeah, so you have this table, and you see what is nice here, that they give you the inventory of all the products, and then the closing and opening inventory. So based on that, so what I'm doing inventory, and then I want to create a pivot table. Okay, and so the pivot table, what you're doing here is just go in here and insert a pivot table. So this pivot table, they will always update with that. So I put my sim route in this one, my calendar date. It's also important that you also can see the calendar date of yours. So let me finish that, and I will show you later also. And then you want to know your product, isn't it? You want to know your product number, and then so I put the product number. And here, let's say that you want inventory data, or you want the closing data, or you want to have both data. It's up to you. So let's see what we have here. I think the month doesn't make sense yet. Okay. So let me take out the month. It didn't make sense to have that. This is the sim route. This is the calendar date. If you can see, normally we the sim date. So make it simple. So you have this one, take it out, whatever you don't need. Okay, and then here you can create this pivot table that to show you what are the, for example, now in the round tree, what are the currently the balance at the closing that you have for your raw material and the product. And here normally to make us distinguish, I also put the material time here. Okay, so you have your finished product and then also your material. They have also nice things that you also can add in to have you for to easier your visual your visual. So I you also can do the scale. So you see that if it's 0, they tell you right away, oh, it's highlight right away for you. So also the same thing for your let's see for your also for your product. Let me see here, and then they also can highlight for you that, oh, now you have some issue. If it's too low, and maybe when it's too high, 7 million, you have to pay the extra cost. So you need to pay attention on that also. Okay, and so this is some I show you example of the OData, and then you also can apply for your for your company. And they have another one I feel that is very important, and that maybe I show you the second one. Okay, I show you the second one, data source from other. You take from OData feed. Okay, and then you do that one the same. So you remember for your O is mean your company. So the password is always EPRSIM in capital. So now here they have one very important market report, and I think that is it's also very helpful for you also if you can run that one. Okay, I want to see in the new worksheet in the table. Okay, and then so this one is my inventory analysis, and this is my market report. Okay, and you can see here what is nice here that you can see the sales organization of your company and competitors, and they give you the price, the quantity. It's very good that if you can also do a pivot table. See, let's do another pivot table here, the pivot table there, and then you also have the sim brown. Okay, I put it here. You also can put your sales organization. What is nice that, oh, you have company, you have competitors, and you have the market. Also can do the average price. Okay, and then now you need to observe by let's see that if you want to observe by day or something, you can add in, or if you want to observe by the area, you can also add in the area. Okay, and here this is your sum of average, and then I also can because it's the, so you may put it here so that you also can see the sum and the round. And here you may have also, let's see what is it, what does it give you for the sim period 1. So and then you need to find the if you can see this, the market report. Yeah, so they give you by the period, and so you also can add in the period if you want. So you play with the pivot table, how you feel is the best for you. And then also this also you can do the same thing for another one, if you can change the average price into the quantity. You see, you can change into the quantity so that also you can compare. Okay, how is it and what does it mean? So this is an example, is nice example for you. So I show you quickly also some analysis that I did, also always the same. So the inventory, I have the picture that you see, oh, when I don't have anything, when I have the issue. And also I build, you see the production data, the same thing. I build that, oh, I may miss some data also. and the sales analysis. So I put also for the uh, in the sales analysis, you also have the contribution margin, your contribution margin per product, or your market analysis, that where you can also see by product. You see, you can see by product, and then between you and the competitors, how much is more or how much is less. You can compare. So hope that you can enjoy that, and then do whatever you like in order to build a very good scorecard to help you to make decision. Bye bye.